Welcome to the Flavor Depot Test Kitchen. I am Roger Speakman, confectioner, and today we're going to be making marshmallow, and we're going to be featuring Flavor Depot's products: coconut, almond, and vanilla. Start out with white sugar, invert syrup, and also some water. Cook this to 240 degrees. Now that the syrup has reached its temperature, we're going to add it to this mixing bowl along with this bloomed gelatin. Whip the marshmallow up. Flavor this with our Flavor Depot flavors. Coconut, we need to add 1 ounce. Squeeze the bottle, pre-measure. Almond and vanilla. We just need to mix the flavors in, get this marshmallow spread on this paper, and then we will add cornstarch to the top. Let that rest for about 40 minutes. Now that we have the marshmallow all set, I can show you how we can make heart-shaped marshmallows. We'll simply press in a cookie cutter. All these marshmallows need is a coating of delicious, rich chocolate. Thank you for joining me. If you'd like to download this recipe and purchase any of these products, visit flavordepot.com.